Hey everyone! So as you guys can tell, I am moving and I'm moving about a month from today. I'm someone who cannot procrastinate. In order for me not to be stressed, I have to do things early and get myself ready to go little by little. So that's what we're doing today. We have a month before we move. So today I started buying new furniture and today we're gonna start packing. Last week I bought some boxes. So today we're gonna start slowly packing at my apartment to get ready for my move. So let's get started. I bought about 30 boxes as well as some labels this year. So I'm hoping that'll help with the organizing piece. I do have movers helping me actually move the day of moving day for the first time. I've moved now like 6 times and my parents have always helped me move, but I've never moved from this big of a space to another larger space. So I've never basically had this much stuff. So I have movers coming this time to help me out and move. So I think right now I'm gonna start with my bedroom just because I have a lot of clothes, and then my kitchen. So appliances, get things ready. There's just things I wanna start putting in boxes. So let's do that. Okay, I might just be moving at a really slow pace, but it's making me realize like how much longer this process is gonna take, because I like only have 3 boxes done and I'm like, it feels like I've been doing it for a lot longer. Only 3 boxes have gotten packed up. It's crazy. But what I did is cleared out just the entertainment center, everything that's in here, which I do think I wanna buy a whole new entertainment center for my new place, and then also just put excess blankets and pillows away as well. Probably we'll just do a couple more boxes today and then resume throughout the week. All right, so the countdown is on. It's now 3 weeks until I move and I'm starting to get more and more stressed every single day. I haven't packed up any more things since the last clip you saw and a week has gone by. So I need to get moving and pack up this apartment because time is just flying by. So I'm gonna try and pack up my closet, my bedroom, and some bathroom things today and get a few more boxes packed up. That way I can make some more progress and throughout the week also make some moves on packing. So let's get that done. All right, so right now I'm putting all my things from under my sink away. I just feel like it's so overwhelming. There's so much, and everything in here, just like hair accessories and like lotions, sunscreens, body butters, things like that are just like thrown in here, and I'm just like fully like declutter everything. But it's making me realize also I need to like throw away things too. So anyways, continue putting stuff away in here. Alright guys, we're making some more moves today, so I'm just using these sticker labels that I bought put onto here. So this one is some of my Christmas decorations, and some of it's glass, so I'm just gonna put the storage in fragile. And honestly, so much of this I had in my pantry because I like have no space. I feel like I'm getting my kitchen started because I'm like, okay, today I want to start on my kitchen, but a lot of it was like in my cabinets that are in my kitchen and in my pantry. So even though it's not kitchen stuff technically, we're making moves on the kitchen. And if you guys want to see the state of what I'm living in right now, I have like 2.5 weeks of living like this, and it's only going to get worse. So yeah, wish me luck because there's literally just boxes literally everywhere. So today's officially my move-in day, and I'm so thankful that Dose Moving partnered with me on today's video because they've handled all the stress that I have been worried about, which is moving all of the big furniture from apartment to apartment. I haven't moved from this large of an apartment to a 2-bedroom before, so I've had the most stuff that I've ever had to move before. So I was definitely stressed about moving everything, and I knew it was just gonna be a lot. So Dose Moving has just been making the process super seamless, and they're on their way now, so we're gonna get started very, very soon. They also gave me a discount code for you guys if you're also moving and you're in the Arizona area. I have a discount code for you. You can use AmandaM to get 10% off your move. So I know right now a lot of people may be moving, so definitely check them out. They have been so great to work with. I'll show you guys what my apartment's looking like right now, and they should be here in about 15 minutes and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the current state of my apartment. All of my like closet stuff, and I just put all the stuff that was on hangers, left them on hangers, and put them all with the trash bag, so it would be a lot easier once we actually get to my new place to hang everything in the closet. And then we have the boxes here, and we still are doing some little last minute things. I really underestimated how much stuff I had. There's just a lot, so we are getting things done as fast as we can just because there's just a lot of things here. But that's why I'm so glad that they are helping us move, because we did not have Dose helping us move today, we would be very overwhelmed. So they're helping us so much. We're just gonna finish up and then we can load up everything. Alright guys, it's now 7 p.m. and we are officially done moving in. Dose has been so great and so helpful. They really went above and beyond and helped build even the furniture that I had. I ordered a few things like a dresser, a TV stand that I'll show you guys, and they were very nice enough to help us build that. Everything's now moved in here, so now it's time to start unpacking. But they really made the move-in process so seamless. Like, I really was so stressed out about that, and seeing how much stuff I had too, I was like, I don't know how we would have done that on our own. Like I said, this was like my biggest move yet, so we really needed the help, and they were so nice and helpful along the way. Here is what we're working with right now. So here is my living room, and we walk over here, we have our kitchen, and then we have my dad sleeping in the room, and then here is our master bedroom, which I realized that I accidentally did not purchase my mattress that I thought I had bought. I thought that was the very first thing I bought, and I found out that I never pressed like order or submit, so whatever. So I never actually bought my mattress. So we don't have a mattress yet. I have literally everything else but that. So that was the only bump in the road that we had today. So considering that that was the only issue we had, it was a very smooth move-in day. So yeah, here is the dresser that they helped us build, and then they also helped build my 2 nightstands as well and my bed frame. So all these things, I'm so glad that they were able to help us with. So yeah, now that it's 7 p.m., we're going to spend a couple hours unpacking a few things, and then tomorrow finish unpacking everything. So it's the next morning and we have made a lot of progress. Last night we moved my couch over. We decided to put it in front of this door that goes out to the balcony because the layout in here was really like awkward and weird because of this door. But I figured I'd rather have it in front of the door because realistically I'm only going in there maybe once or twice a year, because at my old place I only actually went out there a couple times a year, and my couch is very light, so if I actually need to go out there it'll be easy to move, and I'd rather just put that in front of there. So the space is coming along. Here is what my living room is looking like. We got those wall prints set up, that those wall prints are going up there, and then here's what the kitchen's looking like, and then we set up and started getting my closet put together. So this is what my closet is currently looking like. So yeah, we still have a lot of things to do, but we've made a lot of progress. Again, my bedroom's looking like we're starting to put stuff in the dresser, and then in the second bedroom, and then this is what the second bedroom's looking like. So we're just putting all that together. We moved the dresser into the closet and then put a lot of my jackets in this closet over here too. So we made a lot of progress, and now going to tackle the kitchen and unboxing all those things, and then finish the bedrooms and finish off the bathrooms afterwards. Alright, so a few hours have passed and we have been making a lot of progress. So we hung up my wall art. So that's what that's looking like right now. And here's what the closet is currently looking like. And right now I'm currently filling up my dresser over here. So my dresser is getting done, so I'm going to continue getting all the clothes unpacked. But overall we've made a lot of progress. Oh yeah, we also did the kitchen. So now the kitchen is pretty much done. Everything's put away in there. Everything is looking like. So hopefully we can get everything done tonight. so now we're officially done fully moving in. My parents left a couple hours ago and I've just been relaxing because it's just been an exhausting weekend, but we were able to hang up both of my TVs and hang up my curtains, which looks so nice. I am obsessed and I'm so glad we ended up going with it and doing floor to ceiling curtains across the whole wall. Really come together and I'm just so happy with this place. I swear this apartment is literally my Pinterest board. This really is like my dream apartment and I feel so excited and lucky to be in this new era of my life right now where I get to live out my dreams, you know? So even like my wall art, it's very lucky girl energy. We have the 222, how lucky are we? And then an 8-ball and a disco ball. I'll just give a little rundown real quick of how the house is looking like. So here's the current living room and then this is the current status of the guest bedroom. So this is like my guest bedroom slash like makeup room, extra closet, all the things. Close these blinds a little. But yeah, closet is completely full, which is so crazy. I've literally used the closet, every closet space I've had in here, and this is what this looks like right now. So even though we're like moved in, there's still a lot of like organizing and cleaning to do. This is like a lot of stuff I need to take to my classroom. This is the guest bathroom. Again, organizing needs to happen here. I need to get a shower curtain and all that. Kitchen's a mess right now. But the master bedroom, again, we're still waiting for the mattress for that to come in this week. And then we hung up the TV and then the dresser. It all got done, and then we hung up some curtains here as well. And then the closet, mostly done. I mean, it's still a work in progress, but here's what the closet's looking like. And then this bathroom, what it's currently looking like. So we do have some more progress needs to be made, but at least we're moved in and my parents have helped me with the hard stuff. This weekend, I'm gonna be focusing on organizing. I finished organizing my closet and organize the bathrooms and just get a couple little things that I still need to order. But other than that, move-in day, move-in weekend is officially done. Be sure to use Dose Moving if you're in the Arizona area and looking for movers. Highly recommend. They were seriously incredible, exceeded my expectations beyond. I have a discount code for you. You guys can use Amanda M to get 10% off your move. If you guys enjoyed this week's video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.